Hello everyone and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to test out this hybrid Hyperfoam wheel cleaner and prep from Turtle Wax. I'll go through the instruction process. We'll get it applied to one of our tires, get an up close look at the before and after shots, and see how well this actually cleans. So stick around. Alright, so Turtle Wax states that this cleaner is a powerful deep cleaning foam cleaner and prep. This is supposed to get deep into the pores of the tires to remove any dirt, grime, oil, or other debris that may be stuck in there before you apply your tire dressings. The directions state to shake very well before applying. It says to wet the tire thoroughly and get off any loose debris that's already on there. Then apply this liberally to the entire tire. Let it sit for no less than 30 seconds, but no more than 1 minute. And then we'll take a brush and we'll scrub the entire tire down and then rinse it off and get an up close look at how well it cleans. For reference, here's an up close look at the tire before we apply this cleaner. We do have some dirt buildup there. Get an up close look at this whole entire tire. There is a lot of dirt and road grime and probably a little bit of salt left over from the winter months. This is the first time cleaning these tires since winter. All right, we'll go ahead and get this tire rinsed off. Now with it shaken up really good, we're gonna put it on the spray settings. I do like to wear rubber gloves when using this type of product. We'll just go ahead and spray this down liberally. And already the dirt is starting to work out of the tire. You can just see that brown, the pink foam is turning into a brown foam already. Give it a little bit more here. It says to apply it generously. So we'll go around the entire tire here. And it is working pretty well already. You can see that pink foam is turning brown. It's getting into those pores and starting to remove all the road grime that's been on there over the winter months. I'm gonna get out my brush and just give it a scrub down here. Slightly scrub the entire tire. And they recommend, if it comes out really brown like this the first time, to do this, rinse this off, and then reapply a second application. So maybe we'll try that. But already the tire's looking a lot better with just one application. Let's go ahead and give it a second application. That's looking a lot better already. The foam is staying pinkish white. Not seeing a lot of brown come out, which tells me that the first time got most of the debris and dirt out. We'll give that a scrub though, for good measure, because there is a little bit of debris, dirt, grime left in this tire. Now that I'm scrubbing it, I can clearly see that. I'm really not scrubbing that hard. You don't really have to do a lot of hard scrubbing with this stuff. It really gets in to the pores of that rubber and cleans it. Now we'll get this rinsed off here and see how our final product looks. If you do get any on the paint surfaces, make sure you get that off really well. Now I'm going to take a microfiber towel, get the rim wiped off, and then we'll dry off the tire. And here's the towel. After cleaning off the tire, wiping off the tire, there's hardly any residue, dirt, grime on the towel, which is a good sign. That means that we got most of it off during the cleaning process. All right, the tire is almost fully dry and it looks pretty amazing. It got out a lot of the dirt. I'll get a close-up look for you guys here. Especially in these areas here, in this part. It got everything out of there. It looks fantastic. For these tires being cleaned for the first time since winter, I'd say this product did a fantastic job. As you could see in the video, the pink foam was really turning brown with the first application, letting us know that it was getting deep into the pores and getting all the dirt and grime out of those tires. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, as well as help you guys make a decision on your next tire cleaning product. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link in the description. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.